Leverage, leverage, leverage. What is up, world? Fraser here, my voice sounded completely messed up there. So, leverage. What's my thoughts on leverage with your affiliate marketing business? So as per usual, let's dive into it. So leverage is one thing I love because it's one thing that allows me to have the kind of freedom lifestyle that I've been experiencing for the last 7 years. So exactly what are my thoughts on it and how do I implement it into my business? So leverage in a nutshell, I would say, is just basically taking the work off your hands, right? Making everything simpler for you so you can do more of what you actually want. All right, so basically it's getting other people to do the work. So for me, what I like to do is have everything automated, right? In my nutshell, automation and leverage are kind of the same thing, right? So for example, with my marketing methods, the way I do things on social media, where people ask me what I do, for example, right? I don't need to spend like 20, 30 minutes talking to them about, this is my business, these are the products, this is, this is the owner, this is, the next event that's coming up, right? No, imagine spend 30 minutes talking to someone and they don't buy. Imagine how annoying that would be, right? I've experienced that a lot over the years, right? So wouldn't it be better to have someone that messages you, right? I can't even say that right. That messages you, okay, there we go. And you'd have a link to send them, right? That would explain everything on your behalf and do the selling on your behalf. That would be a lot easier and it would make more sense, wouldn't it? Right, well that's exactly what I do. When people ask me what I do, it's like, well, I've got this link that you can check out that where it's gonna share all the information with you or something along those lines, right? And if people, and I ask like, do you want me to send it over to you? Right, and if like, yes, because you need to do permission-based marketing, it's the most effective way, doing it on social media. And if people say yes, send them a link, job done, right? There's nothing else I would need to do because of the things that I leverage online. Systems, they do all the selling, they do all the follow-ups, they do all the training, all that kind of fancy stuff, and the work is completely off of my hands, right? Whereas a lot of people don't have leverage in the market, they don't have leverage in their business. Maybe your company does have multiple levels, but you need to upsell them the products. You need to tell them why they should buy the $1,000, $2,000, $5,000, $10,000 package. Wouldn't it be better to have someone in place that would do that for you? That's why I love systems, because systems have that kind of stuff in place. You don't need to do any of that kind of stuff. Why would you want to do that, right? I'm sure you didn't get started in the affiliate marketing space or online business space, whatever you want to call it, to be like a salesman or a coach or a trainer. You just wanted to make money and live your life. Ultimately, that's why everyone gets started, right? So that's why it's important to have, in my nutshell, just have things that make your life so much easier. So say you're doing YouTube videos, right? And you want to get cool thumbnails done. Don't sit there and do them yourself. Get someone else to do them. Outsource it. Well, leverage, automation, outsourcing, same kind of thing, right? Just take the work off of your hands. It gives you so much more time freedom. Yes, it does cost more money, but in my opinion, time is way more valuable than money. Time is something you will never, ever get back, no matter how hard you try, unless you're like a genius and you can build some kind of amazing time machine, you ain't getting your time back, right? But money can easily be made. It's not difficult. Right, money is like so easy to make these days. It's not hard at all. All right. So yes, it does cost a bit more money, but you get your time back. Time to do what you want. Travel to a different country, or take your kids to Disneyland, or take your family out for a meal, or take your grandparents down the park. I don't know, right? But you have more time to do the things you love. Like say my business activities take me less than 30 minutes a day, and I can do whatever I want. I can shoot these videos if I want to, because this is the kind of stuff I don't actually consider work. I mean, it's not work, is it? It's just me shooting a cool video and sharing with you guys a little bit of value that can hopefully benefit your business. So in my opinion, leverage, automation and outsourcing are kind of the same thing, right? I mean, some people might disagree, but in my opinion, they are, right? So definitely have leverage in your marketing, have leverage in your business. And yeah, if you actually want to learn, this is not BizOp related. If you actually want to learn strategies and methods on what you can do to succeed with building your affiliate marketing business, then check out the link in the description. There'll also be a link to my coaching program if you're interested in that as well. That's where I basically take you under my wing and help you succeed with building a business. But that's completely up to you. So that'll be my thoughts on leverage, guys. Hope you got some value. I'm pretty sure you did. Hit that like button if you're watching on YouTube. If you're watching on Facebook, just leave a comment below. Like I say, hit that like button, click that subscribe button, click that bell so you're notified of all future videos from me. If you like this travel, affiliate marketing, random, weird Scottish guy. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next one, which will be, well, it'll be tomorrow for you, but for me it's going to be like in the next like 5 minutes, because I'm in the zone right now shooting these videos. Alright, peace.